this is Seana Turner of the Seana Method, and I am sharing some holiday organizing tips. And this tip is about the most popular gift. Anybody know? Any guesses? What's the most popular gift? Gift cards. These are so popular. They're great for kids of all ages. They're great for adults. They're small. They travel well. They can be used all year long. I love getting a gift card. What this tip is about, however, is what to do with the gift card when you open it on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning. The reason I'm giving this tip is that these can be sort of busy, chaotic times. We can open a gift card, oh, that's great, and then maybe we mindlessly drop it on the table, or we stick it in our pocket, or we drop it in our stocking. And what happens sometimes is that gift cards are inadvertently thrown away. Why? Because they're tiny, right? It's easy to lose track of where a gift card went. So my tip is decide in advance where all gift cards will be placed as soon as they are opened. A couple of options. Up on a mantle can be a nice place, up high and safe, away from pets and children. Similarly, a specific shelf that you designate. You don't have to have a container, but if you have one, that can work well too. I would make sure to write on the packaging the name of the recipient, because you might have more than one person getting a Starbucks card and they might get commingled. So have them write their name on it, and then everybody puts their gift cards in a safe spot until all of the festivities are over, and then they can be mindfully gathered, redistributed to the recipients. So that's the tip. Set up a safe place for gift cards before you start the opening so that nothing important and valuable, like this most popular gift, gets lost. Happy holidays!